Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another DIY video from Car Spec Garage. Today we're in the 2020 Porsche 911 and we are doing a software update to the computer that will give us full access or full screen for Apple CarPlay. This is from Innovative Soft. Raymond over there has been great to work with. I'm so excited that I found him. And so we're gonna get him connected into the computer in the car through my Windows computer, and he's gonna do his magic and get the software installed so that we will now have full access to full screen of Apple CarPlay. So stay tuned. This will be an easy DIY, well, at least for me. Raymond's doing all the heavy lifting. I'm just connecting things into the car for him. So hang tight. We'll get started here just in a second. All right, guys, Raymond is connected to the computer, to the car, and he is working his magic by installing his software update right now. As you can see, we've got the car into a mode to allow it to start updating. So as soon as we're done, I will get back with you and we'll show you the end result. All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting on. Full screen. Absolutely amazing. Everything's working. No issues. Got my news app. Go back. Everything's there. All of my apps are there. Full screen, not that half screen, which was basically from about right here to about right here, maybe. Completely full. It's like a brand new car. Brand new car. And absolutely works flawlessly. I cannot express how excited I am about this. All right, guys, and there you have it. Full screen on the 2020 Porsche 911. Again, this is like a brand new device to me now. The car looks completely different. Absolutely completely different. So I am definitely excited. I'll leave Raymond's information for Innovative Soft below so you can contact him to get your upgrade of your PCM 5 on your 911 or maybe the Cayenne or what other version of the Porsche that you have. But I am super excited. Looking forward to definitely driving the car more, having this full screen. It's absolutely amazing. It literally looks like it's a brand new audio system in the car now. So again, I'll leave everything below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, ring that bell. And until the next video, God bless.